Siemens versus Allen Bradley. Siemens is a German company headquartered in Munich and the largest engineering company in Europe with branch offices abroad. The principal divisions of the company are industry, energy, healthcare, and infrastructure entities, which represent the main activities of the company. The company is a prominent maker of medical diagnostics equipment, and its medical healthcare division, which generates about 12% of the company's total sales, is its second most profitable unit, after the industrial automation division.
Founded to manufacture and install telegraphic systems, Germany-based Siemens has prospered and grown over 155 years to become a multifaceted electronics and electrical engineering enterprise, and one of the most international corporations in the world. In 1848, the company built the first long-distance telegraph line in Europe, 500 km from Berlin to Frankfurt am Main. In 1850, the founder's younger brother, Carl Wilhelm Siemens, later Sir William Siemens, started to represent the company in London. The London agency became a branch office in 1858. In the 1850s, the company was involved in building long-distance telegraph networks in Russia. In 1855, a company branch headed by another brother, Karl Heinrich von Siemens, opened in St. Petersburg, Russia. In 1867, Siemens completed the monumental Indo-European Calcutta to London Telegraph Line 6, first electric locomotive, built in 1879 by company founder Werner von Siemens. In 1867, Werner von Siemens described a dynamo without permanent magnets. A similar system was also independently invented by Charles Wheatstone, but Siemens became the first company to build such devices. In 1881, a Siemens AC alternator driven by a water mill was used to power the world's first electric street lighting in the town of Godalming, United Kingdom. The company continued to grow and diversified into electric trains and light bulbs. In 1890, the founder retired and left running the company to his brother Carl and sons Arnold and Wilhelm. In 1887, it opened its first office. In 1848, the company built the first long-distance telegraph line in Europe, 500 km from Berlin to Frankfurt am Main. In 1850, the founder's younger brother, Carl Wilhelm Siemens, later Sir William Siemens, started to represent the company in London. The London agency became a branch office in 1858. In the 1850s, the company was involved in building long-distance telegraph networks in Russia. In 1855, a company branch headed by another brother, Karl Heinrich von Siemens, opened in St. Petersburg, Russia. In 1867, Siemens completed the monumental Indo-European Calcutta to London Telegraph.
Automation solutions must be compact, scalable and flexible. S7 1200 CPUs are available as standard and fail-safe versions. They are scalable in terms of their performance and are equipped with integrated EOS, integrated Profinet interface for programming, HMI connections, distributed EOS and distributed drive architectures. The S7 1200 can be optimally adapted to your individual requirements by means of pluggable signal modules and communication modules. The S7 1200 CPUs with safety integrated handle both standard and safety-related tasks. A compact design with integrated I/O communication interfaces that meet the highest industry requirements and a range of powerful integrated technological functions make this controller an integral part of a comprehensive automation.
Through its many innovations, the Simatic S7 1500 controller sets new standards for maximized productivity. This benefits small series machines as well as complex installations that place high demands on speed and deterministics. The Simatic S7 1500 is seamlessly integrated in the totally integrated automation portal TIA portal for maximum engineering efficiency.
Cymatic at 200 SP CPUs with Profinet feature the same functionalities as the CPU 1511/CPU 1513 of the S7 1500 controller system, e.g., integrated trace function, integrated system diagnostics, integrated security, web server, and fully symbolic programming. These CPUs come with 3 integrated Ethernet ports. 2 Ethernet connection ports can be flexibly selected by means of bus adapters as a cost-saving feature. The CPUs can also be configured as interface modules with the iDevice functionality. As advantages can be mentioned an interference-resistant configuration due to short signal and encoder wiring and reduced wiring requirements.
Siemens is exporting made in Germany to Chengdu, China. In 2013, the company built a highly automated factory modeled on its Hamburg electronics plant. The Chinese plant builds Cymatic programmable logic controls. Its computer-controlled systems monitor and manage all of its development and production processes. Structured text SCL, ladder logic LAD, and function block diagram FBD languages are available for all controllers. Siemens offers a wide range of electrical engineering and electronics-related products and services. Its products can be broadly divided into the following categories: buildings-related products, drives, automation and industrial plant-related products, energy-related products, lighting, medical products, and transportation and logistics-related products.
Allen-Bradley is the brand name of a line of factory automation equipment manufactured by Rockwell Automation. Rockwell Automation headquarters is located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The Allen-Bradley Clock Tower is a Milwaukee landmark featuring the largest four-sided clock in the Western Hemisphere. The company was founded in 1903 as the Compression Rheostat Company by Dr. Stanton Allen and Lynn Bradley with an initial investment of $1,000. In 1910 the firm was renamed Allen-Bradley Company. For close to the next century it provided the bulk of discrete resistors used for electronics and other products. In 1952 it opened a subsidiary in Galt, Ontario, Canada that employs over 1,000 people. In 1985 a company record was set as the fiscal year ended with $1 billion in sales. In February 1985, Rockwell International purchased Allen-Bradley for $1.651 billion, which is the largest acquisition in Wisconsin history. The company's first patented product was a carbon disc compression type motor controller for industrial cranes. Allen-Bradley expanded rapidly during World War I in response to government contracted work. Its product line grew to include automatic starters and switches, circuit breakers, relays, and other electric equipment.
The company manufactures PLC, human-machine interfaces, sensors, safety components and systems, software, drives and drive systems, contactors, motor control centers, and systems made of these and similar products. Rockwell Automation also provides asset management services including repair and consulting.
Structured text SCL, ladder logic LAD are some of the languages used in Allen-Bradley PLC.
The following slides will compare the two PLC producers Siemens and Allen-Bradley. Siemens was written for programmers, and all the rest of them were written for electricians and maintenance people. Ladder diagrams and SFCs are easy to understand, a statement list is not. In the UK, Allen-Bradley is the most used PLC. Both PLC manufacturers have large, small, and micro and non-E systems, which makes them widely used in every industry. Ladder logic LAD and functioning block diagram FBD are different because LAD consists of a series of different networks and FBD consists of blocks creating a sequence of input and outputs. Siemens is the path that most big industries choose to go with its easy-to-use ladder logic and easy-to-comprehend schematic. It's a widely chosen PLC in the industry. Allen Bradley is also a widely chosen PLC, however Siemens is better suited for more applications. So in conclusion, Siemens and Allen Bradley are very similar PLCs used in very many different industrial applications to fully automate a manufacturing environment, and ladder logic is the language used in most cases.